Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to use private window in Opera browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10 and also explain what it actually does. A private window is a special browsing mode that does not save your browsing history, cookies or site data after you close it. This is useful when you want to browse privately or log into accounts temporarily. Now let's see how to open it. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Now click on the Opera menu in the left corner, then select New Private Window. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on your keyboard to open it quickly. Once the private window opens, you will notice a different interface. Any websites you visit here will not be saved in your browsing history, and cookies will be cleared when you close the window. However, keep in mind that your internet service provider, network administrator, or the websites you visit can still track your activity, so it is not completely anonymous. That's it. This is how you can use private window in the Opera browser. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.